Ecosport. There's a button?
Right here.
Oh, up inside there.
Okay.
You want to take it for a spin, or is it?
Or you want to start with the other two?
Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna start with the
This is a little small.
Yeah, it's a little eco tiny. It should be said.
It's very cute. I like the inside.
Yeah.
This raises different levels right here. You can see the different levels.
Oh,
Got a little more storage in it.
Oh, cool. Yeah, it's sort of teeny.
And Explorer, I wish it would come standard with
All right, let's move on to the.
this.
The what?
So it's cool that it's like
Cutting
new.
Yeah.
It really is. It's got really good features in it.
Yeah, I hadn't even heard it was coming out. Ecosport.
It's a subcompact SUV.
Oh, look at where it's made. 47% India, 15% China. Final assembly in India.
Yeah.
Origin, country of origin, engine, Germany. Transmission, Mexico. That's crazy. India. We got an Indian.
Yeah, it's small.
Yeah, we'll go to the next one. I don't think so, because they don't get very good gas mileage, and that's the whole point.
Yeah.
That's a Focus, though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you could
Oh,
get.
I didn't see that. I was looking. It's like a soft gold.
It's a what?
A soft gold.
Oh, a soft gold. Ooh, it's blue. So she's gonna pull it out for us?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, that would be good. Alysse, so you happy about getting a possible new car?
Yes.
All right, cool.
I was very surprised.
Yeah, I know.
I like those rims.
Mom likes those rims.
It kind of looks like a RAV4. Like that, is that?
But it's a different shade of blue.
It's got a much bigger back storage.
It's bigger.
Yeah. I think that's more.
I like
Yeah. Five-star overall rating, driver 5-star, passenger 4, both.
Does it have the curtain side?
Yeah,
Airbag?
yeah. And the knee bags and the made in Louisville rather than India.
Also got a place for a hookup with the after here for the house.
Yeah, so you got stuff in the back too. Yeah, we're down to 9. I'm gonna count down.
Stop.
Yeah,
Mom does it all the time.
I guess you could go down to 59
That's what I'm gonna do.
and then come back. You got it?
Yes.
Should we pick up Thomas so he can backseat drive?
No, need to
Okay.
quit.
I think Thomas would enjoy it.
It's small, but it will get out.
Yeah.
Get her on the interstate safely. She can get up
And it's getting 38 miles per gallon. Something crazy. Yeah.
Yeah, these engines get great gas mileage.
Give it the beans. Not now, but
And I drive off
Okay, yeah.
I do, yeah.
I do too.
It's nicer above the escape as you're up a little bit higher.
Yeah.
More vision to see around you.
Do what, Ash?
It just feels good.
Yep. It feels big, Alysse. You can put Thomas back there. Yeah, he definitely wouldn't have the seat this close.
Yeah.
It's a vehicle that can grow.
It's just okay. We have to get a brochure too, so you can look at all the different colors.
Yeah, colors.
Man, we're gonna have a hard time giving it the beans. There's an old one.
I like that one, like Shannon's.
Yeah. Is it a lot like Shannon's?
Not on the inside. But I mean, hers is that style.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
true, because you'll have to have gas in all of them. You
Yeah.
have a bunch of cars. They probably don't all get driven.
No, this only had 3 miles on it when we got in it, so. So what do you, how's the beans feel?
I mean, it drives good. I like it.
You like it?
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready for some beans. Oh, there we go. There were some beans. Whee! You passed the old one.
Feels solid.
Yeah. Ride's nice from the passenger seat. Should have brought Bonehead. See if he fits in it. Wad him up and get him a rack, like one of those X cargos, and you can carry him around in there. Take him out. Yeah, take him out in emergencies. Okay, maybe not. Oh, this one's made in Mexico.
The engine. The engine.
Made in Mexico.
And your hair is killing me.
What?
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 So what do you think, Alysse? Did you like the old,
It was okay.
it was okay?
Yeah.
All right.
I mean, not really.
There's a
nice,
gray one.
But I think this one's cuter.
Okay, well, that's why I'm not picking for you.
I kind of like the one.
White's fine. Except it really shows when it's dirty because you don't wash your car ever.
That's not true.
Never ever. And away we go. Okay, so you had me up there making noise and you got Mom pushing buttons.
Yeah, I'm gonna end up like.
We're gonna end up. Ooh, there's the rain.
Great. Hold on, I gotta turn in it. Wait.
You gotta flip it up.
What do you mean
Up.
flip it?
The whole stalk, like a turn signal.
Oh.
Nothing like them engineering college students
Hey,
to figure out how to turn on the windshield wipers.
But it does have different levels of speed on it as well.
Yeah.
Quite a few.
I got it too. For your steering wheel.
So does it feel just like your car, or does it feel different?
I haven't gotten it.
Okay.
It feels like a little, it goes more than mine.
It what?
Like it can go more than mine.
Oh, it's faster.
Not that it's faster.
It's got
but
more beans.
Yes.
Okay, we got more beans.
Is this like the same engine as mine? Four-cylinder?
This has a bigger engine. This is a 2.7.
2.5.
2.5.
Yeah. 2.5 gigawatts.
What is hers?
Yeah, that's what she's got. No one she's got already. Glad I'm not riding in a parade today. Happy Mardi Gras. Yeah.
I have them like, oh.
There you go.
I was like, they're not coming on all the way.
Your ma loves her buttons. That's why I like pushing her buttons.
I'm an easy target, I know.
Yeah.
It drives really nice. I know, I like it.
I mean, I drive one myself. I absolutely adore it. It handles beautifully.
I like my Fusion, so I really like this one. You're already used to that.
So-
It looks it's just like mine.
Yeah, it's exact
This
same
is
day.
This is different. Yeah.
Yeah, but
This
so
one's
you
like Kelly.
think you're gonna get a Fusion, huh?
Yeah, I like it.
All right, well, you pick the color and. Yeah, I like your reasoning on trading in the truck too, Ash. Well, it's still got less than 100,000 miles on it.
Yep. This is the crappiest fucking thing.
Yeah, just don't hit anything.
I'm gonna do what I normally do. Back all the way around, and then pull straight through.
All right.
This is
All right.
Sorry, truck guy.